Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best screen protector you can get for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, the SPARIN 3-pack tempered glass screen protector. If you're looking to protect your tablet with something reliable, well-designed, and made specifically for your device, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what makes this screen protector stand out. First things first, this SPARIN protector is made exclusively for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 10.5-inch models. SMX200, X205, and X207. It won't fit the Galaxy Tab A9, A7, S8, or Tab A8.0, so make sure to double-check your model number under Settings, About Tablet before purchasing. Now, what makes this tempered glass truly premium is its 9H hardness rating. That means your screen is shielded against everyday threats, whether that's your keys in a bag, unexpected drops, or even pressure from tight pockets. It's designed to resist scratches and maintain that flawless screen surface. But SPARIN didn't just stop at durability. This screen protector is ultra-thin at just 0.33 mm. That's thinner than a credit card. What this does is preserve the original touch sensitivity of your Tab A8. Whether you're sketching, scrolling, or typing, it feels like you're interacting directly with the display, without any interference. One of the small but important design choices is the precision cutout. The laser-cut design ensures that the camera is never obstructed. You still get the full front-facing camera view without sacrificing edge-to-edge screen coverage. That's especially useful if you do video calls or online classes. There's no hazy film over your lens. Now let's talk about clarity. Because this is clear tempered glass, not a matte film, you get full HD display quality. Colors pop, text is sharp, and visibility is never compromised. The clear glass gives you the same optical experience as the bare screen, just with added protection. There's also a special coating on the surface, a hydrophobic and oleophobic layer. This helps keep your screen free from smudges, oily fingerprints, and sweat marks. It's easier to clean and stays looking new longer, especially for people who use their tablet for work or media consumption on the go. Installation is pretty straightforward too. The pack comes with 3 screen protectors, so you have backups or can share with others. It's designed for bubble-free installation, and once it's on, it stays on cleanly without lifting at the edges. And one more thing, it's Amazon's choice in this category, which speaks volumes about its popularity and performance. While we're not quoting customer reviews today, it's worth noting that this protector has been consistently favored by thousands of users. So to wrap it up, if you're using a Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 and want premium protection that doesn't interfere with the visual or touch experience, the SPARIN 3-pack tempered glass protector is the best choice. It offers a near-invisible layer of defense with thoughtful features like scratch resistance, anti-fingerprint coating, and precise fitment for your tablet. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If this helped you make a decision, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what accessory we should review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.